donut, meron siyang apple, and the Bavarian strawberry. This tastes the fruit donut. Sarap. Taste mo talaga yung yung apple niya, yung fruit niya. And the Bavarian strawberry. It's easy to buy, it's so soft. At ang sarap. Hello, mag-dine and take out na kayo dito sa Mr. Donut.